We are in the presence of a professional TV host. This recipe actually came from Rhian because I wanted to do something naman that is of someone else's and not just me trying to teach someone else how to do something. So you guys wonder what I would eat when I'm trying to be plant-based. Not vegan, vegetarian because we're using cheese. This is how I like to eat. First, we preheat the oven to, what do you do? I normally do like 190 degrees Celsius for random stuff that I bake.
I always just go straight to 200 because that's where the marker of my
200, okay,
yeah.
So we will do this at 200.
And then we take the bell peppers and we just like cut the top off so that we have like a little pot with a little lid.
Pot with a lid, yeah.
Now you just arrange those in any way you want.
Okay. I can imagine bringing this to a dinner party and everyone's gonna be like, oh, it's so pretty, it's so colorful.
Yeah, drizzle it with olive oil
okay.
and just pop it in the oven for 15 minutes.
Middle rack.
So that it doesn't dry it out also.
For how long? How many minutes?
15 minutes.
15. Okay. So
But don't worry guys, it's not like naubusan kayo ng time because you have to pre-prep that. While that's happening, you can do the rest. If you've ever made gisa before, you know that onions always go in first. Okay. These will shrink quite a bit once they've fully cooked. Okay, I think the zucchini has had a bit of a head start on softening, so the mushrooms can go in.
I like the look of vegetables when they're a little charred like that.
Yeah, same here.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas, and these are already pre-cooked, right?
Yeah. Those are cooked chickpeas. You do not want to put raw or uncooked chickpeas in this. I kind of like the look of this. It's colorful. It's brown, beige, and green. It's the kind of colors I want to wear. Lalagay ko na to.
Ilalagay ko na to. Yan, ilagay na natin to.
So pretty. Confirm if I'm right. Paprika is made from dried, ground up bell peppers.
Ooh, I don't even know that.
Yeah, we don't want it to be too wet and saucy, right?
Yeah.
Because
Then it'll just be soggy.
it might rip apart the bell pepper. Okay, that's good now. I would just season it more. I agree with you.
Like a pro.
Back, back, back.
Yeah. Salted and peppered it like a master.
Stuff it! Stuff it! Stuff it! Stuff it!
You stuff it now! You, Bianca King, you stuff it! Parang wala akong opportunity. Gumagana lang ako. Pero wala akong naitutuloy. Ito na. I feel so useless.
I washed my hands, I swear.
Ako hindi ako nag-wash. Sobrang walang kwenta.
Do you like pesto?
Do I like pesto?
Yeah?
Love it.
I like pesto too.
10 minutes, let's put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Because everything inside is pretty much cooked, you just want the flavor to mix. And that cheese to melt.
200 degrees is pretty hot.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Nice, nag-bubble yung cheese ng konti. It has a bit of like that burnt crust on it. Cheers, love. Cheers!
Ah!
Okay.
Cheers.
Uh-oh, sorry. The zucchini part of it makes me think of ratatouille. Like ratatouille flavors.
Yeah. So if you guys like this video, please like it and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you can follow me. Oh my gosh, sorry, you're still chewing. You can follow me on Instagram, Bianca_King.
And I'm at Rhian Ramos if you want to follow me.